AI isn't just the future, it's already shaping your life right now. But do you really know what it's doing? Here are 5 things you must know about artificial intelligence. 1. AI learns from data. AI doesn't think like humans. It studies massive amounts of data, finds hidden patterns, and makes predictions. The more quality data it gets, the smarter it becomes. 2. AI is already everywhere, from Google Maps guiding your route, to Netflix suggesting what to watch. Even your email spam filter, it's all powered by AI, often without you even realizing it. 3. AI isn't perfect, but AI makes mistakes. If it's trained on biased or incomplete data, the results can be unfair, or even dangerous. That's why ethics and transparency are so important. 4. AI won't replace everyone, but it will change jobs. AI won't steal every job, but it will transform them. Repetitive tasks will be automated, while new roles will grow around creativity, empathy, and human strategy. 5. AI has great power and risks. AI can help solve massive problems like curing diseases, modeling climate change, or predicting disasters. But if misused, it can spread deepfakes, invade privacy, and fuel misinformation. So, is AI humanity's greatest tool or its biggest threat? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to follow for more powerful insights.